Hi, sweeties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be reviewing this Buchimix food processor. So we'll be blending some things, or let's say processing some foods. This is okra. So this is the blade that we'll be using today. This is the main blade. This is where you put it. So the main blade is what we are going to use to process our okra today. So this is how you put it together with this main function. So you put it into the processor this way and make sure that it fits properly and fits well like this. You could just give it a twist, and if it's good to go. So the next thing we're going to do is to blend the okra. This is an okra. I've had it in my fridge for a while, so yeah, I just rinsed it, and then here we are, cut the head, and then we're about to see what this blade can do for us. So next is to ensure that you cover the okra or the processor properly. Ensure that it is tight where you're seeing the arrow. You close it to where it's locked. So this is it, locked properly. The next is to process. So we're going to go ahead and turn on the food processor so we can process. Yes, sir, this is it. You can see. Oh my God, it does this so fast. Wow. I'm so excited. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is so nice. Like within just a few seconds, look at what we have. Look at what we have. Oh, this is beautiful. So let's do it more so that I prefer it a bit more finer. So here we are. I think one more turn. Yep. One more. Yep. And I think that's it. This is fine, I guess. Let's see. Beautiful. This is just so wonderful. This is nice. So you can see how it's properly chopped. So we're going to turn this out into a plate so we can properly have a look at the work that it has done. This is, we have to remove the chopper. Ensure you're careful. It's very sharp. It's very sharp. So you can see it's a good job it has done. Turning it into the plate next. This is it. It's really, really amazing, guys. I love how it evenly chops it and it doesn't leave anything behind. It's easy to even pack it. This is amazing. I'm really impressed by the work that has been done by this food processor. Buchimix food processor is top notch. Next, we're going to try to to process some pepper and onion. So this is a pepper I started drying, but I changed my mind. So because of this demo, I use the pepper. This is the onion. So we'll start with the onion. Let's just see how it can chop this onion fast, a whole onion. So the same way, we're gonna close it and we're gonna put it on for some few seconds. So let's go. Let's go. Yes. Oh, seems like it's dancing, but wow. Ah, he just did this in literally less than 5 seconds. And this is what we have. This is amazing, guys. So I'm sorry for what happened. I missed the video. I thought I was recording. I did not record. So I added the pepper, and this is what we have. And I'll be turning it for you to see. This is it. I just added the pepper to the onion. This is the consistency. It's beautiful. Everywhere is consistent. The chopping is consistent. This is just beautiful. You can have a look. Look at it. Yeah, it's great. I'm in love with this processor. It has done an amazing job. So as promised, I have reviewed it and I love this blade. So you guys can try it. Thank you and bye for next time. Like and subscribe.